Hello guys, let's learn some colors and shapes in the rabbit. Green color, brown color, violet color, pink color, orange color, green color, black color, blue color, dark green color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color. Let's draw the shape in the rabbit and paint the color. Green color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, light pink color, circle, the face of the rabbit is circle shape. Circle, circle shape. This is semicircle, this is circle. Orange color, orange color, green color, heart shape, heart shape, green color, pink color, pink color, pick a green color, dark green color, heart shape, red color, heart shape, yellow color, heart shape, pick a green color, orange color, kite shape, kite, kite. The hand shape is kite shape. Orange color. Red color. Right angle triangle. Yellow color. Pink color. Green color. Right angle triangle. This is left angle triangle. Red color. Yellow color. Pink color. Green color. Black color. Semicircle, circle, kite, heart, right angle triangle, left angle triangle, red color, yellow color, light pink color, yellow color, red color, orange color, light green color, peacock green color, orange color, green color, pink color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, red color, yellow color, pink color, green color. So semicircle, circle, heart, kite, right angle triangle, left angle triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.